In today's video, we're going to take a look at an easier way to manage some simple color work. So it's super popular right now to knit hats that have a dark ground like this blue and then have just little specks of a lighter shade. And so what I'm going to do today is show you an easier way to manage the yarn, and we're going to take this yarn and use that as the white, and it'll kind of look like stars when I'm done and when we get it going. So you could just use this ball to strand, but it's huge and it's going to get in the way, and we are not going to use as much of this as we are of our dark color. So the easiest way I find is to make what you call a butterfly bobbin. And basically what that is, and if you're going to get into color work, you want to do butterfly bobbins because it's a much smaller bit of yarn to manage than this giant ball. So how do we make this butterfly bobbin? Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to lay the yarn across our palm, and then we're going to just kind of hold on to it, put it down there in the crook of your thumb, and just hang on to it. And then we're going to bring the yarn around, and we're going to go around our ring finger and cross back over like in a figure 8 around the thumb. And we're just going to do the ring and the thumb and the ring and the thumb. And you can see how I'm just doing this figure 8, and that, as you can see, it's our butterfly. So we're just going to go around, and we're just going to do a little bit more. And I think that's good. Okay, we're going to bring it up, hold on to it. And then you can see we can just put that off to the side. Now we have our end, and we're going to bring it around and come like down, go around, and you see how I'm making like a little tie off. And then we pull this around. And then we're going to take this end and pull it over here and hold on to it. And then go around again. And then you're just going to slip it under. Okay, and just enough to kind of hold it, okay? And then you take it off your fingers, and you can see it's like a little bow or a butterfly. But what will happen now is I can pull from this end, and it will just pull the yarn, and it's nice and neat. See how well managed that is?